What's going on, traders? Today is November 7th, 2023. It's about 3:22 in the afternoon, and I just wanted to recap my trades. Don't forget, today is the last day for the 90% off the evaluation accounts for Apex. Any of the accounts, 90% off. Code link in the description if you are looking to add any accounts. Probably Black Friday is going to be the next time that they have something like this, 80, possibly 90% off. So if you are looking to get some accounts before then, today is the day to do it. Going over our trades. This was a pre-market trade. I didn't realize it was on news. Apparently, one of the Fed people were talking. It wasn't Powell. I believe he talks tomorrow morning at the same time around 9:15. And that's what this was. I didn't realize it. Maybe when I saw the volume, I probably should have looked into it, but we scaled into it, worked our way out of it, and made a decent little profit. I actually took a trade a little bit earlier on another account. As you can see, it was one of the past evals that was a complete accident. It's a little frustrating because it could have made the regular eval that we were trading today a little bit better, but not going to complain too much. As you can see, after the bell, first 10 minutes go by, we come up and we start making new highs. There was a pretty nice candle here above that current high that was set, and we ended up getting a nice trade through the bands. Nice little push back down into that previous resistance, and it worked out. Then we had this crazy 110-point move, just pretty much a straight grind. Absolutely insane right here. And it was pretty grindy. I tried to get filled on this candle right here. You can see it wicked up, but it happened so fast that it didn't really give us a chance to get in. And then there was really no reason to get in to a trade this entire way up. I mean, look at the candles. They're just absolutely disgusting to look at. And we kind of went sideways, went up, made a new high. And then after the new high, boom, big drop. And it's funny because live on stream, I drew this line and I said, it's probably not a good idea to expect this to bounce, because if you get in and it doesn't bounce, then it could flush big time, because there's probably a ton of stop losses sitting here from everyone that rode this up, saw the double bottom here, and was putting their stop losses right under here. So what did I do? I decided to jump in as it was dropping, expecting it to bounce. It did not bounce. It went straight down through. It's actually turned into a 111, but it was essentially a 1-2. As you can see, I added 2 right there. I hit 1 on the way down, and then as it was coming back up, I hit it again for the same amount. So it was 3 contracts, then essentially 6, two threes here, and it popped back up right to that previous support, and I took it off. Actually ended up being a pretty decent trade. Moving over, you can see this. This trade was not anything too special. I was actually looking for it to dump a little bit further than this, but we did get a decent little move down, got it right back up to that previous candle, and that was that. I left at 130, so it wasn't too much going on, especially after that. I walked in the door, and literally as I walked in the door, this happened. Well, it was right here. I walked in, and as it was, this green candle was happening as I walked into the room, and I was like, "Oh, you got to be kidding me!" It was literally, if I would have walked in maybe a couple minutes earlier, I would have been ready and possibly gotten this move. So could have got one more trade maybe, but I had a lot of shopping and stuff to do, but so I wasn't too upset about it. But there was our trades for the day. Nothing too crazy, nothing too special. I feel like today was kind of a normal day. Had I took the other trade from pre-market on the right account, would have been a $200 day, and it felt fairly normal and easy. So hopefully moving forward, if we get some more opportunities, it could be a little bit more. And I believe we'll have a funded account tomorrow. Not exactly sure if it has to say day 7 or be day 7. I guess I'll find out tonight when we wake up, or I guess in the morning when we wake up. So again, last day for 90%. So if you're looking to add one of those, I might actually add one to maybe look for some of that news play in the morning. And I don't know. We'll see. It's only $17, so it's hard to not try. But I will see you all tomorrow morning for the live stream. If I don't, I'll see you in a video if I make it tomorrow. Peace.